actually kind of sad about that.
I am.
So this comes out to about 1350 market.
I hold on to that one, though, Cap.
Yeah,
And we're just going off of this.
yeah.
80%.
Then we're at front rate.
830. Right?
That would be like 824, but I mean 830 is fine, right? So let's see what market is on this because it keeps like shifting.
Yeah.
Would you say market is like 1125, 1130? That would be like around 800 USD.
Yeah, I would say it's 800 USD.
Yeah. Okay.
Fair.
So
then you would be at 290.
yeah. You want to take a look at it at all, or
Yeah, let's do
sure?
it.
Here you go.
Can I mull it over? Is that all right?
You can shop them around. Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you. I don't want to take up his time. I know he wants to make it.
No worries. You're back.
I am. Okay. So you're interested in these two, right?
Yeah.
Doing a drive in about 5 minutes.
Also interested in this one.
So I just checked. It's like 730. That's market. Yeah.
730.
Yeah.
Right here.
Can I see this Charizard?
Of course.
And while you're at it, do you mind if I take a look at the
Of course. Of course. You can grab it yourself if you want, actually.
80% is that number there. 440, 330 Canadian. 80% of that 616. I top $100.
Can you 110 because I'd rather have this than these. So I just want 110.
And we're not gonna.
Sure.
I've taken enough of your time already.
Awesome.
I don't want to.
I mean,
Yeah.
thanks, bro.
You know what I mean?
Thanks. So, kind of a sad day in the vending business. I have to say goodbye to my PSA 10 Reds Pikachu, and I'm taking in a Breakpoint Gyarados Secret Rare in a 9, and a 151 Zard. That's a little OC, and he's throwing on top 110 bucks. His name is Chill Zard on Instagram. Jeremy in real life. Yeah, I'm gonna be crying myself to sleep tonight. I think it's. Thanks for the deal, Jeremy.
Hey man.
Thanks for the deal.
Appreciate that we were able to work something out.
Yeah, this is for you.